Oh, we don't add her to the collection. Yes. We definitely are adding her to the collection. She is giving me everything. Hey, what's up, my baddies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Shatar Monique. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. So I'm not going to talk a lot. I'm going to just jump straight into the video because I'm super excited to share with you guys this unit that she is rocking tonight. Yo, it's late at night, but I just had to come and show you guys because I was so geeked and so excited about this unit. So this is the Bobbi Boss glueless lace wig unit. I have, it's Jacintha. I think that's how you say it. I have her in the color TTHL1B 99J. And yeah, absolutely love her. It's the HD lace. And I'm sorry I don't have a clip of the construction because, again, like I said, I was just so excited, you guys. But it does have the elastic band. It's an adjustable elastic band, so I thought that was dope. It has your typical elastic straps. Not elastic strap, your typical adjustable straps in the back, and then your combs. So, and like I said, it's a 13 by 7, so that's dope. You get a lot of parting space and things of that nature. And yeah, so absolutely love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get into the deets of this wig and what I like about it and what I don't like about it. So what I love about it is the parting space. You can definitely do a lot of styles with this wig and things of that nature. So I think that's super, super dope. The lace, let's say a prayer for this. You're gonna have to work with this lace, boo, okay? When I tell you this lace was like Casper white, it was like Casper white on me. On me, it was Casper white. I had to finesse, okay? And I think I still need to do a little bit more finessing, but for the sake of video, I think we're good. So yeah, it was super, super, super white. So I had to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder. I used the 360. And then I also had to use foundation. I typically do not use foundation, but I had no choice. I had to use foundation. So that's what I did to get the lace to blend in. So just be cognizant of that. You are going to have to put some work in with the lace. I did pluck a little bit, but you really did not have to pluck. It definitely, I don't know if it claims to be pre-plucked. Yes, it does claim to be pre-plucked and have a realistic density, which I absolutely agree with. If you want to go in and pluck, you can. I plucked very little and then I just stopped because like, there was no need to pluck in the front unless you just really want like not a straight line for your hairline, then maybe you can pluck it. But as far as the density was really good. So if you're not into plucking, baby girl, they got you. You don't have to worry about that. And yeah, that was really much it. I haven't had any shedding with this wig. When I tell y'all, my hand's been all through this baby. My hand's been all through here all night and I haven't gotten no shedding. Very, very little tangling. So I've just been combing it out with my big tooth comb, and I use my Got2B to lay her down, and then I use the blue gel for my baby hairs. And this is what I got, y'all. I do need to probably put a little bit of concealer in my part just to define my part a little bit, and that's it. So originally I had actually ordered the 1B, but they were out, and so I either had the choice to choose one of the colors they had. So they had this color in stock, which is like on the placard. I'm sorry, I don't think I even showed you guys the placard. Come on, focus. So I had a choice of this color, or I could have chose the color I have, and I'm so glad. I was super nervous. When I get wigs, I usually just try to go with the 1B first to see if I like it, and then I may do color if I'm feeling a little risky, and I'm so glad I made this decision. I love this color. I love the way they integrated the red. I like that the roots are, you know, the 1B color. And on me, the camera's not picking up, but it's definitely a lot more brown. It has this gorgeous, gorgeous brown hint into it with this red. And I just absolutely love it. This is the full length of the wig right here. Like I said, I have combed the curls out and I like it that way. Yeah, and I do like the fact, like, if I wanted the red to show, let me see, where's my, like in the front, like the bang, I could do that. Like there's so much you can do with this wig, you guys. Now the only thing I do not like about the wig, and it's not the wig per se, it's just, maybe it's just the way it fit on me. Oh, I will tell you, it is big head friendly because I have the elastic band on and I had to tighten it, so it's definitely big head friendly, so that's always a good thing. But I'm gonna just show you. You see how I have my lace cut? I had to kind of like cut it here and go back, so I have no lace to pin down right here, and it's like that on the other side too. So that was the only issue, but it's really not an issue for me because I'm not gonna ever wear it no other way. Like, I'm always gonna have my sides covered. If anything, I may have a top knot or I may flip my part, but this part's always gonna be covered, so it's not a big deal for me at all, especially for how much I like the wig. And that's just less work for me to have to do to lay it. So I'm good. And yeah, oh my gosh, that's it, you guys. let me get closer so I can show you. I think I do need to like cut a little bit more of my lace, but for the most part, I mean, I think she's looking pretty good. Like, so I just put some baby hairs down, and that's it, y'all. Absolutely, I love it. This will definitely be my fall wig, okay? Call me Jacintha, because she is everything. And that's it, you guys. So I will leave all the information for this wig in the description box below. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video and you want more of these type of videos, please make sure you like, thumbs up, subscribe, share it, do all of that good stuff. I definitely have some more wigs in store that I have arrived, and I'm super excited to review for you guys and get out to you guys. But until then, you guys can definitely check out my other videos that I have, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much. You guys have a great evening. I'll see you at the next upload. Bye.